Hi, I'm James Chow, host of the China Current, where we meet fascinating people shaping our shared future. Over the years, I've participated in a number of climate conferences, including COP21, where the Paris Agreement was signed. I've interviewed the global actors who've warned us time and again that we stand at a critical tipping point.
It's really a human rights issue, very fundamentally, and there's a very strong gender dimension.
And I've lived and worked in communities where the deteriorating environment is creating hardships for people. But NASA now says the world is actually getting greener, and it says that China and India are behind that. It's surprising these are two of the top 3 emitters of carbon dioxide, and they have cities like Beijing and New Delhi that are famous for their heavily polluted skies. But NASA says its findings are based on a 20-year comparison from data collected by its satellites hovering the Earth. India's made a huge push on agriculture, creating innovative and sustainable solutions to the way it farms. That means more fresh food for the world's 3rd biggest population. It's a different emphasis in China, where there's a race to plant more trees. 60,000 soldiers have been reassigned to combat pollution by expanding forest coverage to provide clean water, save endangered species, and regulate the climate for our planet. It's also in the deserts. Since the 1980s, local herdsmen have been planting, watering and pruning trees, providing them with an income in areas often associated with extreme poverty. Each year, the world is gaining an extra 2 million square miles of green leaf area, the equivalent of all the Amazon rainforest put together. I'm fascinated by this story because I lived in Beijing. I know firsthand what it's like to be in a beautiful city that struggles with real environmental problems. But this story provides hope that it's not too late to save our planet, and that countries with poor track records may be the ones best placed to provide the solutions. It's amazing to see how green 2 countries have become. If they can do it, we all can.